Welcome. My name is James Usby. I'm a financial consultant, and this is video number 2 underneath module 1. This video is titled, What is a Fixed Index Annuity? Again, my name is James Usby, financial consultant. I specialize in helping people 55 and above who have certificates of deposit or bonds, and I help them to earn a higher rate of return without taking more risk with zero fee fixed annuities and zero fee fixed indexed annuities. The link is in my bio to schedule a free phone call or Zoom meeting to find the best strategy for you and to review your existing portfolio or your existing annuities. So today we're going to be answering the question, what is a fixed index annuity? But before we do, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. My goal is to upload 2 videos every single day, answering more and more questions. And please leave comments in the in the comment section below of what you like or don't like or what you want to see going forward. So, hello, welcome back. We're diving into some more fixed annuities here, also known as FIAs, fixed indexed annuities. We're going to explore what they are, how they work, their benefits and drawbacks, and some example use cases in a retirement portfolio. So, the definition: a fixed index annuity is a type of annuity that provides a guaranteed minimum interest rate combined with the potential to earn additional interest based on the performance of a specific market index, typically the S&P 500. Unlike variable annuities, fixed index annuities protect your principal from market downturns, which means you cannot lose what you put into it. If you put in $100,000, you're guaranteed to be able to take out at least $100,000. So you're not going to lose money in these, is what that's saying. So you're protecting your principal from market downturns while still allowing for market-linked growth. So right here, I have six key features of a fixed indexed annuity. So number 1 is market-linked growth. Fixed index annuities, and going forward, I'm just going to say FIAs. FIAs offer the potential for higher returns because they are linked to the performance of a market index, like we mentioned, such as the S&P 500. While you will not earn dividends from the index, your annuity's value can increase based on the index's performance. Number 2, guaranteed minimum return. Even if the market performs poorly, you are still guaranteed a minimum return, often referred to as the floor. For instance, sometimes the floor is 0%. And if the floor is 0%, that means you will not lose any of your principal due to negative market performance. Now, typically, if the floor is 0%, there's going to be a higher cap. So it might be like a 9% cap. But if the floor is 3%, you might have a 6% cap, something like that. There's always going to be a little bit of give and take. Number 3, participation rate and caps. So FIAs often come with a participation rate, which determines how much of the index's growth is credited to your annuity. Additionally, there might be a cap, also called an upper limit, on the interest rate that you can earn. So for example, if the participation rate is 100% and the cap is 9%, and the index S&P 500, let's say, grows by 10%, then your annuity's value would only increase by 9% instead of 10% because it's capped at that rate. So number 4 is tax-deferred growth is another key feature of FIAs. So just like other annuities, FIAs grow tax deferred. So that means that you will not pay taxes on interest earned until you start receiving payments, which is allowing your investment to compound more efficiently. So I was speaking with another financial advisor, and so essentially, if you keep your money in the fixed index annuity, that interest is going to be compounding daily. If there's a fixed interest rate, that's going to show up daily. But you can also opt to receive immediate payments. So it's going to be very different scenarios depending on if it's just a straight fixed or a fixed index annuity. So there's lots of different options there. So make sure to ask those questions when you're looking into this and looking at specific insurance companies and looking at their exact products. So number 5 is flexibility. So FIAs offer various options for receiving your interest credits and income payments. So you can choose to receive interest credits annually, semi-annually, or other intervals such as monthly, depending on the terms of your contract. Number 6 is no fees. So many FIAs come with no fees to get in or out, making them a cost-effective investment option. So this allows you to maximize returns without worrying about hidden costs. So here's an example use in a portfolio. So suppose you have $100,000 that's part of your safe money. You have your money that's invested in stocks and other investments, and you have a portion of the money that's safe, and you just want to put it into something that's going to earn you 5.5%. There's fixed annuities that do that, but in this instance, obviously, we're talking about fixed index annuities. So suppose you have $100,000 with a participation rate of 100%, cap of 9%. If the linked index grows by 7% in a year, then your annuity's value would increase by 7%. However, if the index grew 15%, then your annuity's value would still only increase by 9% due to the cap. So they do offer good upside, much better upside than certificates of deposit. So that's an option. And that's typically the most common person that's buying these is people that have old certificates of deposit that are coming due, and they want to move into something like this that still has no risk, but it has a little bit more upside potential. So moving on to some pros and cons to FIAs. So this is going to help you decide if a fixed index annuity is right for you. So some pros, we talked about this: principal protection. Your initial investment is protected even if the market goes down. So you will not lose anything. 2, potential for higher returns. Earn more than traditional fixed annuities or certificates of deposit by linking that annuity to a market index. Number 3, tax deferred growth. 4, no fees. We already talked about that. 5, flexible payment options. Already talked about all of those pros in more detail. So the cons, 1, cap on returns. Your gains could be limited by cap, meaning you won't fully benefit from exponentially high market growth. So recently, if the S&P is going up 15%, 20% a year, and you're capped at 9%, then obviously you're missing out on that. But with less risk comes less reward. With more risk comes more reward. Another con, number 2 of 4, is complexity. So FIAs can be more complex than traditional fixed annuities with terms and conditions that may be difficult to understand. So that's why it's important to really ask a lot of questions about what you're getting into and to read through the contracts carefully. Take your time, look up things on YouTube, on Google, try to figure out what things mean and what you're getting into, because you definitely always, when you're making any financial decision, always want to know everything possible about what you're getting into before you buy anything. Number 3 of 4 is limited liquidity. So withdrawing funds before the term can result in surrender charges and penalties. So kind of like a certificate of deposit where you're locking up your money in the bank for a specific amount of time in return for interest. With these fixed index and fixed annuities, you're going to be locking up your money for 3, 5, 10, whatever you choose, amount of years. And in return, you're getting that interest payment, whether that's a index annuity or or just a fixed annuity. So you need to keep that money in there, which is why I mentioned it's for your safe money. It's not supposed to be money that you are going to be needing in the short term. This is long-term money that you want to maintain your value and then earn 5.5% guaranteed is what I've seen on some fixed annuities, all the way up to 9% on some of these. So some use cases. So FIAs can be particularly beneficial for three types of people: conservative investors, those who want to protect their principal but still participate in market gains. So that's why I mentioned at the beginning of the video, typically we work with people that are 55 and above, because by the time you're at that age, you kind of start thinking, man, I would really like to not lose the money that I just worked so hard for over my entire career. So let's dial it back. Let's be a little more conservative. But you still want to participate. You know, if the stock market's doing well, you still want to have, up to, better gains than a certificate of deposit or just leaving it in a money market account. Number 2 of 3 is retirees are going to be using this. So they like this. Individuals seeking a reliable income stream with potential for growth to keep pace with inflation is a big one. So if you want a reliable income stream, that annuity is going to be a stream of payments. So sort of like an income check every 2 weeks or every month. Typically every month is when people will want to get these checks if they need the money. But if they don't, they'll just leave it in the annuity. But you can, if you want, you can get checks every single month paying you. And so that's good because it's guaranteed checks, guaranteed money coming in. The third and final is diversification is another use case. So investors looking to diversify their portfolio with a balance of safety and growth. So typically, any investor, they're not going to be 100% in stocks, 100% in bonds, 100% in cash. Typically, you will have, part of your portfolio as the safe money, part of it, in moderate risk, and part of it into growth. So fixed annuities, what I'm focused on right now is for that part of your portfolio that is the safe money. So it's not all the other stuff. So fixed index annuities can be a powerful tool for securing your financial future and feeling confident and at peace with the income that you have coming in, especially if you're looking for a balance of growth potential and security. Obviously, they provide the opportunity to benefit from market gains while guaranteeing actually the principal from market losses. So I wanted to say thank you very much for watching this video. Again, my name is James Usby, and please leave comments below on what you liked and what you didn't like, what you think I can improve on for next time, or if you have a future video idea. And if you do have certificates of deposit at the bank or bonds you're invested in, definitely click the link in my bio to schedule a meeting with me over the phone or Zoom to discuss if fixed annuities or fixed index annuities might be right for you. My clients love fixed annuities and fixed index annuities because they're guaranteed. You can't lose what you put in. They usually have higher returns than CDs. And over the last several years, they've been doing better than bonds. So the annuities my clients buy, they don't have any fees to get in or out. And they like the annuities mainly, to protect their principal, but also for the monthly income check. So again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you secure a better financial future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.